After the attack by the dolphin, Jessica's last words in the hospital were, "I had explained everything to Orca." Jessica referred to the dolphin affectionately as Orca. She said, "I am 30 years old, and I haven't married yet because I felt that Orca was everything to me. Orca is my husband, my child, my family." Jessica earned a lot of money because of Orca, often spending most of it on Orca's care. She would buy Orca good food, and any money left over she would donate to the poor. Jessica declared, "My life and death are for Orca." However, Orca took Jessica's life. Jessica's mother shared that Jessica had gone to New York for 3 days, and when she returned after Jessica's passing, Orca had not eaten anything since then. There was a significant mistake made with Orca.